All right, so we're gonna make just a 3-ingredient treat that my kids love, your kids will love. It's nice to have on hand. We're gonna make homemade whipped cream. First, you're gonna pour your heavy cream right into your mixer. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can use a hand mixer, or you can get a great workout with a whisk. We've got about 2 cups of heavy cream to a 1/4 cup of sugar. And I like to add about a tablespoon of vanilla extract, or you could flavor this with lemon or orange or almond. Any of that would be great. Then you just turn your mixer on. Once it starts to get a little bit thicker, you can kind of crank it up, but just start at about medium speed to begin with. Since we're getting a little bit of volume on the cream, we can go ahead and crank up the speed. Once your mixer starts to leave a little bit of a track, you want to keep a close eye on it. So this is where you can decide if you want it to be just nice soft whipped cream like it is right now, or have it continue to go to where it's actually pipable or just like a little bit thicker. I usually go a little bit thicker with it, but if you were to let this go too long, it would turn into butter. So keep an eye on it. So to me, that is perfect. It's not over whipped, but it's definitely perfectly scoopable. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments something else that you'd like to learn about and share along so others can enjoy.